Rolling.
I can do it, and I'm 3.
Yeah? Is cold brew that easy to make?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, what's up? It's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some cold brew, and I have my special assistant. What's your name?
Ava.
Ava. Awesome. So Ava is going to help me with this today. Oh, she picked out my outfit. So outfit of the day. This is what she picked out for me. A nice black Gucci shirt. What's your outfit of the day? What did you pick out to wear?
A leotard.
Yeah, it's her new leotard. We had our birthday weekend together.
Let me climb up again.
Yep, you got a nice stool. Awesome. Now you're really tall.
I can do it, and I'm 3.
I made myself a little cold brew jar, and we are going to be making cold brew coffee today. A fill line to here, it's about 1 cup of ground coffee. You want a kind of medium ground coffee, and I like the light roast, and this is only like $3.99 at Trader Joe's. So we are going to start, let's put that right there, and we're going to open our mason jar. And then you want to help me put the coffee in, and we're going to fill it to that line, okay? My assistant Ava is going to help me. Okay, let's see.
What are those called?
Coffee grounds. That's what makes the coffee. So let's look. Is it to the line?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I think we did it right. So, all year round, you can make your own pumpkin spice cold brew coffee. You don't need to go to Starbucks or wherever. You can make your own. Look, that one's pumpkin spice spices. And then can you do 3 shakes in there? 1, 2, 3. Awesome. And then if we want, we can put a little cinnamon. Do you want to put a little cinnamon in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice job. So for dexterity purposes, we're taking just filtered water and I put it in a little bottle. Do you want to fill it up all the way to the top? Nice job. I didn't put enough water yet. I'll be right back. What does it smell like?
It smells like cold brew coffee.
Okay, awesome. Put a little more in. Whoop. All the way to the top. We put our cap on it. You want to close it for me? You want to shake it? So put one hand on each side. And you shake, 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 shake. So supposedly some people say don't disturb it and just let it go, but I don't think that's necessary. I haven't found any difference of the flavor or anything if you shake it or if you just stir it gently. I don't know why people say that.
I want you to make it some your cold brew coffee.
I will. So we got to let this one steep overnight. So now we shake it, now it's all mixed, and then we put it in the refrigerator overnight. And then we'll have coffee in the morning. But for video purposes, I made cold brew the other day and I put it into a smaller mason jar.
Can you put it in there?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in my sparkly cup. So
Right now?
I like it with honey. Yeah, give me 2 seconds.
I like those sparkles.
You have a cup that's sparkly too. So you ready to show them how to make the cold brew coffee?
Yeah.
Okay, so in the morning, I put a little bit of hot water in a cup and then I put the honey in it. Because honey does not dissolve in cold water.
I like the honey.
Yeah, you like honey too? It's my favorite also. So then I got this one. It's a little frother and I got it on Amazon. I had another like cheaper, only $2 cheaper, but like a $5 frother. And my cat knocked it off onto the floor and broke it, so I had to get a new one. And I'm so glad I got this new one because look, it comes with a stand. And then it has a nice button, and it's really, really strong, way stronger than the other one. So now, you're gonna push the button. And I did this without spelling. So once all our honey is mixed into the water,
Now what are you doing?
now we're gonna take our strainer. These are the best strainers ever. They're all
Now
plastic
what are
and not
you
metal.
gonna do?
Now we are gonna take our cold brew, and remember how we pour it on the strainer and then it strains the coffee grounds out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, I filled this one. Wait. So you wanna help me pour that? All over it. It's okay, we'll clean it. And it gets a little sludgy at the end, but that is okay because this is the best strainer and it gets off all the coffee grounds.
Are those the coffee grounds?
Yep, the strainer caught it, so they don't go into my coffee, so I don't eat them. Because they just make the coffee. We don't eat those parts. Perfect fill line on my Venti coffee cup.
Now are we ready?
Okay, and now,
It's cold brew.
so now we're gonna take my favorite, oat milk. I am obsessed with oat milk, and I just think this is creamiest. Yes, so I'd rather have oat milk than like a soy milk or an almond milk. Oat milk has been my favorite. Okay, so now we just fill the rest up. And this is a creamy, yummy pumpkin spice cold brew drink now.
I want to turn
Okay.
it on.
Here you go. Nice job. Okay.
Is it cold brew coffee?
Yeah. It's already cold. You don't need to blow on it. It's already chilly. Okay. Let's put the lid on. And there you go. Cold brew pumpkin spice coffee that we made ourselves. And we're saving a bunch of money by doing it ourselves. And we can have pumpkin spice all year round.
To my hand.
Oh, she wants to show you. This is a color changing mug from Starbucks. So she goes like that, puts her hot hand on it, and then it shows her hand print because your hand is warm and this is cold. Let's see how we did. Mmm, that's good. So was that easy?
It's so easy, and I can do it, and I'm 3.
Woohoo! Yes, can I have a high five? Good job on making cold brew. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe.
Awesome, she said it. So you have to subscribe, like, and leave us a comment. Let us know how we did. Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.
She loves Sam. She loves Sam, and Sam loves her. Yeah, nice hugs. Nice hugs, Guy. That's so nice.
I
Okay.
can do it, and I'm 3.
Okay.
I can do it, and I'm 3.
Awesome. Okay. So.
I can do it, and I'm
Okay. Now we go.
3.
And then we fill the rest with water.
I'm 3.
Oh, you're gonna make me cry off my makeup.